All right, I'm gonna talk about the two main kinds of songwriter royalties in under a minute and how to get your money. Okay, so the first kind of songwriter royalty are performance royalties. Now, these are generated anytime that there is a public performance of your song anywhere, whether that's on TV or on the radio, digital or terrestrial on the dial, or you're performing your song live in concert, or somebody else is covering your song live in concert out of a jukebox. Those are all performance royalties, and they're collected by performing rights organizations, or PRO, ASCAP, BMI, CSAC, SOCAN in Canada, PRS in the UK, and then you get paid from your performing rights organization. All right, the second kind of songwriter royalty are mechanical royalties. Now, these are generated every time your song gets streamed on Spotify or Apple Music, or downloaded, or a CD is sold, or a record is sold, or anything like that. Those are mechanical royalties, and you need a publisher to get these mechanical royalties, or an admin publisher like a Song Trust or a CD Baby Pro or a Cobalt or an Audium or a TuneCore Publishing. All right, there you go, songwriter royalties. Boom.